Hi, I'm Dave. I'm going to introduce you to a friend of mine, Julian. I call him Jules. Now, Jules and I met in a cafe back in 2009. And at the time he was working there and he made me a bloody good coffee. He was an engineering student. And where did these two things meet, engineering and coffee? He decided to make himself a coffee machine. He was a student, he didn't have all the cash himself, but he had some ideas. So he drew up the plans and he got someone to put up the moolah, the money. After that, he got all the stuff in his shed and he put this coffee machine together. So let's go and have a look at the coffee machine he made.
If I took the lid off, which I wouldn't want to do because it's under 9 bars of pressure, but if I took the lid off, what you'd see is this entire machine pretty much completely submerged with water. So you got 6mm steel plate on here and here, and then just 3mm plate bent and welded around to form this top section. It's welded to a pipe there, and then all of that is bolted directly into a bottom plate. It all drains underneath the table there. When we finish this off, we're going to be having the solenoids coming out of here, but at the moment I have them feeding straight through underneath the table. So if we have a look under the table, it will tell us how much coffee is flowing through, so that we can volumetrically time how much coffee is coming out. You can just hit a button and go, and you know that 60 mils or 30 mils of coffee is going to come out. Here's the big pump, still sitting in the frame of the coffee machine, which I salvaged it from. This is our intake water with a muff in it. One of the hazards of working in your garage, I guess. That's actually prototype 1 here. We built that prototype, is where the whole thing, the hydraulic theory that it would work okay, putting an element in there, putting a pump, and making sure that we could actually make coffee with it. And it worked beautifully. The shots from that coffee machine were really, really good. We made it out of aluminium. Having a look here, this is the computer that takes the signal from the thermocouple, which is hooked up there. That's the thermometer. Takes the temperature from inside the machine, feeds it back to the computer. The computer then looks at the temperature, and at the moment it says the temperature is 90. I can decide I want to go up to 95, down to 85. Yeah, so based on where the temperature is and where the temperatures should be, it will tell the element to turn on or off via the solid state relay here. That's pretty much the whole machine. It's taken 2 years and a lot of drawings to get here. But this is pretty much what I like doing, and I'm hoping to get a job as an industrial designer in future. Taking these ideas and developing them for other people and coming up with other people's solutions and putting all the bits and pieces together. Yeah, that's what keeps me up at night, so here's to that. Cheers.